Every missed call is a lost customer. And for most local businesses, that's hundreds of dollars walking out the door every time. The reality is, most businesses are missing calls every single day. Meanwhile, beginners are getting paid to fix this with AI receptionists. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up this AI receptionist and find your first paying client, even if you have zero experience. So first things first, what is an AI receptionist? It is an AI robot that can answer the phone, do sales and customer support 24/7, just like this.
Hello, you've reached Evercrest Realty. This is Chanel. How can I help you today?
Hey Chanel, how you doing? I'm trying to get someone to look at my house. Can you help me?
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And absolutely, I can help with that. We can schedule a free property evaluation with one of our expert agents to get your house priced and ready for the markets. Could you share the property address with me to get started?
So as you see, this is highly valuable for local businesses, but the question is, how valuable? Let's get into it. So the value depends on what problem you're trying to solve. And for local businesses, this is a big problem. So what I've seen is charging anywhere from $297 to $497 plus per month for an AI receptionist is an absolute bargain because you are solving a recurring problem, which is missing the phone calls. Again, when you solve a recurring problem, you get recurring money. That is the beauty of this entire thing. And the other really great part about these AI agents, other than just being really easy to set up, which you'll see in a sec, is the fact that they're highly sticky. See, services like SMMA, e-com, dropshipping, all these other business models, they're not super sticky, okay? Whether it's B2B or you're selling to B2C, it just is tricky to get it going. With these, because you're solving a recurring problem, which is answering the phones, okay? If you leave, they then have to do the job, which is a pain in the ass. Okay, so they either have to pay someone or they have to take the time to do it after hours. So like you have to understand the value in this, and business owners have no problem paying this when you set it up correctly, which is what we're gonna be going over in this video, is the fastest, easiest way to set this all up. Now, before we jump in, I don't have some outdated course or some high ticket coaching offer to sell you. None of that. Okay, you don't gotta worry, put your wallet away. We're not gonna go into that. Everything I'm gonna show you in this video is gonna be free from me. Okay, the other thing is I've actually done this. I've walked the walk, unlike a lot of these other gurus. I've even won awards doing so. Yes, that is me right there in these videos on stage. So I like to think I know what I'm talking about. Again, this worked for me, and hopefully it will work for you. That's why I'm doing this. I wanna give you something real that's just been good for me. Again, there's no guarantees anywhere, like you actually have to do the work. No such thing as get rich quick. But from what I can see, there is no better business model than these AI receptionists helping local businesses. It's amazing. So let's go over this lightning fast setup. So I'm gonna be giving you Jasmine, my AI receptionist, completely for free in this video. I'm gonna show you how to get in a sec, but this is literally all you have to do once you have it. So once you get it, you're gonna leave everything intact because the settings, all of this stuff is already pre-set up. We'll demo in a sec, but all you need to do, if you wanna change anything, would be changing the business name right in here where you want it, right like that. Right under here as well, okay? A couple places where the business name is, and then either porting their existing phone number in, which takes some time, or buying a phone number for like $1.15, or it might be a little more, but it's very cheap, and then using that. So either way works, nothing else. That's it, you're done. Like it's literally a 5-minute setup once you have these templates. It's so easy. You can also add it to their website just like this, so their website can speak. So now the website can do customer support and sales 24/7 too. So it gives you extra coverage. And guys, really important when you're trying to sell this for these price points, you want to get them a win fast. If you're doing SEO, SMMA, running ads, sometimes it takes a month to get them a result. If it answers a phone, okay, or in a call within a couple hours or even 40 minutes of setting this up, you just got them a win. And when you put stuff on their website and answering their phones, the chances of you getting a win go up. Guys, you want this kind of stuff. It makes your life easier. So from there, you have this set up, you're done. Now, here's the really, really cool part. And this is where this is gonna be absolutely amazing. If you want to, okay, because you may not just wanna go after landscapers, we can go after anyone. We come right into Jasmine, we click these right here, we click duplicate. Then what we can do is we can take Jasmine just the way we had her with all of the exact settings. we can use this AI prompt right here, which again, I'm gonna be giving you for free. Come right in here, put plumber, HVAC, electrician, lawyer, copy and paste this entire thing, put it in the ChatGPT. It will regenerate all of the info you need, copy, then paste into here. And now you can change this by updating these names in literally 5 minutes to any niche. So you can go after plumbers, HVAC, lawyers, electricians, any business you want, which gives you way more people to go after, which means your chances of selling go way up. So again, guys, like this is the future. It's so powerful. And that's all you have to do to set this up. I'm telling you, it is so easy. And if you're like, no way, he's hiding, he's holding something back, drop a comment down below asking to see more about this, and I can send you more tutorials that show you just how easy this is. You can literally bang them out like this. Like, it's too easy. Like, again, I've never seen anything this easy. When I got started back in the day, I didn't have anything like this. I'd learn how to run ads. I had to do all these complicated, funnels. All this stuff was way harder. Now with this, it's like, it's simple. It's easy peasy. So now that we have this, let's run through a live demo on my phone so we can see that this works. We're going to come right in here to phone, and we are going to start typing my phone number in, and we are going to click call.
Hey, you have reached Connor's Landscaping. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing? My lawn is looking terrible.
Oh no, sounds like your lawn might be staging a rebellion. I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Let's get your lawn back in shape. What's going on with it? Overgrown grass?
Literally, Rebecca, all of the above. It just looks like trash.
Got it. Sounds like your lawn's trying to audition for a wilderness documentary. No worries, we can absolutely help whip it back into shape.
Humor.
We've got services like mowing.
Hey, let's just book a consultation ASAP. That's what I want.
Got it. Let me check the soonest available slots for a consultation. One sec. Here are the soonest available slots for a consultation. Today, March 19th at 3 p.m.
Let's do that. March 19th, 3 p.m. That's perfect.
Great choice. I see we have your email. Is that correct?
Yes.
You're all set. Your consultation is booked for today, March 19th at 3 p.m. Anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, will you be able to bring me cookies when you come to the consultation?
I wish I could personally deliver cookies. While I can't promise snacks, I can guarantee our team will bring their A game to get your lawn looking amazing. Anything else I can assist with?
No, that's perfect. Okay, so you see how powerful it is? It talks like a human. You can throw it off. You can ask questions like that. It will actually know what to do. And I just showed you a fraction of the power. So you need to now imagine if you were to set this up for local business, it could do the sales and customer support all the time. Like, guys, there's nothing this powerful. Like, I could just keep talking to you guys forever about this because it is literally the most powerful thing ever. Because businesses always communicate. Like, you're solving a problem they already have. So now that you understand this, we move on to the next part, which is how do we sell this? Okay, because like this is fine and dandy, and all the gurus always talk about this. Look how cool this is, and then the end the video. And I want to show you using my self-selling AI demo, okay, which is awesome sales demo, and where to find your clients. So let's jump into that. So the first thing we need to go over in reaching out is understanding how you're going to be selling this. And what I'm about to show you is going to be great if you're bad at sales or you just don't want to spend a ton of time in sales and you're good at it, because trust me, sales gets really old after a while. Like it's just a grind, but it's like we can leverage AI, okay, to do some of the selling for us. That's why what I'm going to show you is my special AI sales demo that's going to help tremendously. So we have Connor's Landscaping, and I have this with all of my smart websites, but we actually have a smart selling AI demo that looks like this, which pops up, which is going to guide the prospect through the sale. Now, if you don't believe that AI can aid in self-selling, you're like, there's no way this ad works at all or doesn't do anything, check this out.
They said, I can do so much with this guy. I said, well, are you open to talking more options to see how we can install him into your business? And they were all for it. The agent sells itself.
It kind of also takes the pressure off of me in the sales process, which I like.
Yeah, well, hence the self-selling. So as you saw right there, tons of people are using these kinds of demos to do the hard selling for them so they don't have to. But what I've done is I've actually upgraded this and added a more interactive demo so there's no problem. So as soon as they land on the site, you're going to send this link to them, which is just the website link. Again, we'll cover that in a sec. They click anywhere. And right here, arrows will point right down to the screen to show this AI agent. Then they're going to demo the agent. It's going to tell them exactly what to do. So this is where it's going to sell them, not close them. You'll see in a sec. So they'll click this, and it's going to go through as if they are a client of Connor's Landscaping or plumbing, HVAC, whatever niche you want. This is really powerful for showing them the value. Because what most people do is they just yap about sales. They go, oh, this is amazing. The business owner doesn't know what AI is. None of this makes sense. So you talking about it is not going to help you with the sale. Again, even if you're advanced, this is why you're probably struggling with these AI tools. If you want to actually sell this and make the recurring income, you have to properly show, not tell. So the first part is showing. So they go, wow, this could work in my business. This is actually closing people. From there, it's going to then guide them to our other AI agent, which is there to help close. So this one sells by showing. This one closes by walking to the next part. So if they click this.
Hey, I'm Maria. Did you check out the demo?
Yeah, I loved it.
That's great to hear. Was there anything specific that stood out to you during the demo?
Yeah, I love the way it closed my clients.
That's awesome. It's definitely a powerful feature.
So it goes through and then can answer your questions and try to book an appointment. Now, all you have to do is figure out how you want this in your sales process, whether you want to just hop on and say, hey, we'll give you a free trial, or, give us, $197 to $497, we'll get rocking. It just depends on how you want to do that. But again, this whole demo is set up to do the hard selling for you. That's the entire goal. We don't want to be out here yapping forever. Like, Brev, that's not the right way to do this. And so many of you guys are doing that, and that's why no one is selling AI services, because, again, everyone keeps using the buzzword AI. This is what the gurus aren't telling you. I know because I talk to local business owners. Everyone keeps saying AI, but no one knows what it means. That's why you need to show with one of these smart demos. So once you understand this, and you're like, okay, I understand how to properly show people, we now need to find businesses to reach out to. So there's two different ways we can do this. Number one, we go to all the businesses that when they say closed, okay, that'll be in after hours, those are your leads, because those are the people that are gonna need said AI receptionist, okay, to answer the phones, because guess what? That's their bottleneck. So you wanna go and find those people, or if they say open, you call and no one answers. So those are gonna be a long list of leads, because guess what? No one's answering the phone. So those are some easy leads. The next leads are people you wanna have this AI widget on their website. So you can come to any of these websites. We'll just click this one. Again, I'm not picking on you guys, I'm just picking random stuff. Right here, no chat widget. That is an easy lead for a chat widget. We come back, we'll do these guys. It's a cool video. No chat widget. You see what I'm saying? So you go through and find people, and those are your two different kinds of leads. So those are the people you want to find, because those are the people you can help. Now, the interesting part about this, okay, is now we have to reach out. And there's multiple different ways you can do it. You can send them a text message. You can cold call their number. By the way, at the end of this video, I highly recommend you watch the video I'm going to link, because it's a video of me cold calling live. So you're going to see just how I do this whole process and send this demo to them. Okay. From there, you can send them a direct piece of mail. You can walk into their business. You can give them a lead magnet. You can contact them on their website. There's so many different ways to reach out. I have other videos on that too, if you are interested. But you basically have a bunch of different ways to reach out. It's the beauty of this. Like, you have so many different ways to get in touch with these people, and all you have to do is go through and get them. And make sure, obviously, you're following compliance laws and all that other good stuff. But that's essentially how you do this. It's as simple as that. So now that you understand this, you may be like, this is cool, but how do I get this free demo? How do I get these AI agents and all this other amazing stuff? I'm going to show you. Relax. I'm not trying to have the big sales pitch here. We're not going to do that. I want to give you this to free. I want to do something that other people don't do online, because I actually believe this could really help you. Now, again, there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme. You're going to actually have to put into work. But I'm going to let you do all of this for free. I'm also going to give you a ton of hand-holding. So right down below is a 30-day free trial link of this software called GoHighLevel. 30 days free, not 14, extended 30-day. So you can try this for 30 days. And if you don't like it, you can leave. No upsells, nothing. If you don't like it, you can leave. But I'm doing this because I believe it can help you, because I have been where you once have been, trying different things online, nothing works. Everyone's trying to charge you $10K for a coaching program and nothing sticks. I want to be different, but I'm also so sure that this is the best business model that I'm giving you the zero risk opportunity. So you're not only just going to get these free templates, my free AI demos, and all this other amazing stuff. I'm actually going to give you a ton of hand holding by giving you my private community for free as well when you use this software. Again, free. Let me show you. So that's an entire private community where you can ask questions and talk to people. That's all of the trainings you could possibly want. More trainings on how to get clients, okay? Special systems to reach out to people, like so much stuff. Sales scripts, AI prompts, tons more of these templates. So you have as many as you want. Again, that's amazing. You don't want to spend time doing that. But the most important part is we have up to 8 live coaching calls that you can attend for free on Zoom every single week. Even ones with me where you can talk to me, and they're free. Okay, we got other coaches. We got all kinds of people you can talk to. And again, there is no other community like this. There really isn't. We got real agency owners that you can talk to for free. If you can find something this good elsewhere for the price of free $99, I'm all ears. Drop in the comments down below, but you're not going to find it because no one gives away what I give away. And if you don't believe that this is legit and you're like, there's just no way, like this guy is just full of shit, you know what? Let me just play you a bunch of success stories to show you that this is legit and to show you that this is free. It is. No joke. It is hands down the best. So if you don't believe me, watch this.
Agency wise, we're hitting 30 plus a month, and
30,000 a
again,
month?
yeah, being with Declan within my first month, I saw results and got my first client and working on getting my second one.
I landed 4 in my first month. Yeah, I just hit the ground running with your model. I landed $1,000 for one client, a battery retail store, and then $2,500 a month for a self-storage facility, and then $250 a month for a hairdresser and $250 for a cleaner. That was my first month of landing those.
Wait, so were those recurring or one time?
Recurring.
Tell us about how many clients you have currently and just walk us through this entire process.
Yeah, so far I have around 7. I started the program end of December, and we just rocking and rolling.
If you remember, when I started on with you, I was broke, right? I was unemployed. And thanks to your help, Declan, and the partnership, I was able to sell 3 clients this month. One for $1,000 recurring, $1,500 recurring, and $2,500 recurring.
We had 0 clients, and now we have 9 total clients.
So I'm at about a solid 11, 12 clients right now. But I am scaling, other opportunities are presenting themselves.
So to date, since started working with you, I've made a lot of money. So probably well over $47,000.
It's amazing. Yeah. How much you have per month now? Close to.
So this month we're going to eclipse 50K.
Look at that. I mean, my God.
Thanks to Declan's program, I was able to land an HVAC client for $990 a month, a hair salon client for a $1,000 website plus a $250 recurring maintenance fee.
I started with 2 clients and I'm closing in on 10.
So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in going a step further, again, the link is right down below. But if you have questions, love it, hate it, please drop it down below. I want to be transparent with you. That's my goal. I don't make these other gurus where I just ignore you and try to sell you shit. I want to be the guy that communicates with you. So if you're interested, drop it down below or say whatever you want. But more importantly, I'm going to link a video that's going to be that live cold call so you can see how this works in action. I really recommend you watch this. It's going to give you a lot of ideas, and I think it's going to help you a lot. So thanks again, and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.